If you're drinking turmeric water every morning, you might want to stop because it's not helping at all. Here's the truth nobody's talking about. Turmeric water doesn't work. In fact, it's one of the most overrated health hacks out there, and it's actually stopping you from getting turmeric's real benefits. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why this trend fails and how to do it right. Let's start with why turmeric got famous in the first place. The golden spice truly is powerful. Its star compound, curcumin, gives turmeric its bright yellow colour and all those impressive health perks. It's been linked to better liver function, stronger immunity, lower stress, and even joint pain relief thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers. Sounds like a superfood, right? Well, not quite yet. Here's where things take a turn. Curcumin, the part that actually helps you, doesn't dissolve in water at all. So when you dump turmeric powder into a glass of water, what you're really making is expensive yellow water your body can't use. The curcumin just passes right through your digestive system, never entering your bloodstream. It looks healthy, but it's not doing anything. And that's why so many people drink turmeric water for months and feel zero difference. Next, the supplement debate. Sure, curcumin capsules sound convenient, but they're not regulated. You never really know what's in them. And isolated curcumin often causes more side effects than benefits. Whole turmeric root, on the other hand, contains dozens of supporting compounds that work together naturally to reduce inflammation. Nature's design beats lab isolation every time. Here's what almost everyone misses. Cooking changes everything. When you heat turmeric in fat, you dramatically improve absorption and reduce those oxalates that can cause digestive issues. Just 4 to 5 minutes of cooking activates the curcumin and makes it far more bioavailable. That's how traditional cultures have used turmeric for centuries, not in water, but in meals. Here's how to do it right. 3 proven ways that actually work. First, cook with it. Add 1/4 to 1 teaspoon to your curries, soups, or stir-fries. The combination of oil, heat, and spices creates the perfect environment for curcumin to shine. Second, make golden milk. Use whole milk or coconut milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. The fat helps absorption. Calcium in the milk even helps balance oxalates. Add a touch of cinnamon or saffron if you like. Delicious and powerful. Third, try turmeric pickle. Slice fresh turmeric root, sun-dry for 1 to 2 days, then mix with mustard oil and spices. After curing for a few days, you've got a tangy, potent source of bioavailable curcumin. Just 1/2 teaspoon with meals is plenty. There's one tiny ingredient that can take everything we just talked about, cooking, fat, and turmeric, and make it explode with real results. It's not expensive. It's not exotic. You probably used it this morning without even thinking twice. Ready? It's black pepper, the simple kitchen spice hiding in plain sight. Here's the science. The compound in black pepper, called piperine, can boost turmeric's curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not a myth, that's real chemistry. So when you combine turmeric with a bit of healthy fat and a pinch of black pepper, you unlock its full anti-inflammatory and antioxidant potential. Here's the bottom line. Drinking turmeric water is like trying to fuel a car by pouring gas on the hood. The power's there, but it's not going where it needs to. Turmeric only works when it's absorbed, so skip the miracle drinks and use it smart. Cook it, pair it with fat and black pepper, and keep your doses moderate. Do that, and you'll finally unlock the real anti-inflammatory and antioxidant magic behind the golden spice. Stop wasting turmeric. Start using it right, and let your body feel what this ancient spice was meant to do. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips like this one.